Shot clock 7.
Hindi pa sila maglimahan.
Mag-overtime na po.
Steve. Yung donation. Going to be ball number 2. 0 to point. Going to be ball wing 7. Stable. Shot clock 19.
Malapit oh.
14 to point. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 10 seconds shot clock. Rebound wing 7. 2 points, 23.
Pasok pa rin.
0, 2 points.
Si player si ano. Si ano sana.
Hey, 2 points.
Si Bibaw. Time out.
2 points, 0.
Apat lang.
1 minute to play. 10 seconds shot clock. Second 32. Rebound wing 7. 40 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 2, 30 seconds. 2 points.
Dalawa lang.
Foul. 32 penalty.
32 pre. 32. Oo, Xerxes. Luna boy. Tatlo.
Third foul. Penalty.
Meron pa isa.
Make one.
Isa pa. Bang. Basket boss. Pag pumasok.
Rebound 0.
Oy, wala.
Rebound of 8. Foul.
On down.
32.
32, foul. Xerxes, 4.
Fourth personal foul. Warning for foul down.
minutes lang yan. Hindi pwede.
Dapat. Pag pumasok, boss. Dapat ganyan pumasok sa
Time out daw. Ano ba? Ano ba?
Time out, Blue.
Wala nang time out. Ito dalawa.
Kasi time out. Pag-shoot, dalawa, time out.
Time out.
2 or 3 doesn't make a difference. Just make one. Just quick basket. Yeah, quick basket. Yeah, quick basket.
Basket daw eh.
7 seconds.
Petsa, tao-tao. Si Joseph, double team mo.
Ilan ba naman? Apat? Kahit makatres, wala rin eh. Pabayaan ko na lang yun.
Paula ko dyan.
Lock!
Yeah. Out of bounds. 4 seconds. Substitution.
Malupit ka to.
4 seconds.
Quick release.
Release yung boy.
Good play.
Time out.
Time out, right.
Tama na.
Time out nga eh.
Ubus ko yung oras mamaya.
Ulo.
Hindi, ito na.
Ha?
Back to the ball game.
Wala na yan. Ilang ba lamang? Dalawa. Dapat
Foul, 0. Penalty. Substitution.
May time off pa sila? Wala na? Okay, pwede rin eh. Wala time off.
wala na yan.
Kaya pa yan, 7 seconds.
Paano yun?
0.7.
No. Sige, wala na yan.
Siya.
0.7 of a second. 0.7.
Miss. Sapat.
Sino foul? 0.
Pumasok.
0.7.
Sino yun? Charles? Malupit ka talaga. Inubos mo yung oras. Nice win.